something is different with the blow by. Still driving it, enjoying it. Wish I could drive it more though, but been getting it done. So this is going to be a 3-part series video. First video of me driving the STI, Joe showing us the shop and the cars that are there. There's 2 Subarus, 1 STI and a WRX. Hopefully we can get a POV, 2 videos on both of them, or 1. We'll see how the video goes. And of course the last video is me driving, or Joe showing us his car. He has an Audi RS3. Hope everyone is hanging in there. There it goes. That's Joe's Audi. Look at that thing, it's so sick. Damn. Hey, I'm right here in the front. Alright, bye. Got a GTR, Elite Motor Cars. They're located in Concord. Hit up Joe if you guys are interested in buying a car. We'll show you guys their inventory in a little bit. Right now I'm just trying to find a parking spot. Let me see.
How you doing, bro?
Check it out. This guy's #1 supporter right here.
Oh yeah, dude.
One of the #1 supporters. It's a little dirty. So what's going on today, Joe?
Not much, bro. Just showing you around.
Yeah. I told him about. We have 2 Subarus in the shop.
Yep. Now you make me want to lock it, bro.
What's up, guys? Sean here with Elite Motor Cars. We're Bay Area's luxury, used, high-end, exotic car dealership. We specialize in customizing cars as well as selling them. If you guys want to check us out online, our website is cars925.com, and you can check our Instagram out, Elite Auto Concepts. Thanks, guys.
I mean, just look at the back of the seat. So the whole car's wrapped,
Okay.
and then they also wrap the back of the seat tags in it.
What's the factory color on this?
I think it's black.
And obviously we have a rolls here.
Mm-hmm.
And then last thing. Oh yeah. Oh god. Dang.
Take out for you.
Wow.
Let me open up this door though.
Just walked into a car heaven here. Not bad. Limited STI. I like the wingless look of it.
Yeah. You got like 5 minutes.
So what's the detail on this? What year is it? You guys are interested in buying a Subi here in the Bay Area, Northern California. I'll link all his stuff here in the video description. All right, so just by looking at it, looks like we have a Perrin cold air intake, Perrin coolant hoses. We have an air oil separator. That's what that looks like. It looks like the stock turbo, stock intercooler. What else? Looks like the fuel system is all stock. Lightweight pulley, lower coolant hose, Perrin. Not bad, man. They have quality parts. Perrin is a reputable brand. If you guys are looking for a car that's slightly modified, don't hesitate on buying this one right here. Check out their inventory. I'm just gonna do a quick walk around. Have a Corvette. Scat Pack.
2020 GTC, and a 2017 S6.
Variety of everything. You got Euro, JDM, exotics, supercars. Still a GTR on the front. So many cars to look at. You have an R8. Ferrari.
Probably the best front end out of any car in the showroom.
You think so?
100%. In my opinion, at least.
Yeah.
Here, Joe. 2017 E63S, 900 horsepower, upgraded twin turbos, meth injected, full Rentec. This thing's nasty. It's like 10 different tunes you can do to it, like on the fly.
Wow.
Flashing the ECU.
This thing is a Lambo killer, huh?
Literally.
GTR.
HKA exhaust, some unknown mid-pipe, HRE flow forms. Other than that, just pretty much cosmetics. No major, like, performance-wise.
Yeah.
So it hasn't been abused.
Burnt tips on the exhaust, stock wing, obviously different wheels, different tires.
Little taillight tint.
Yeah, that's a nice meaty look to it. Definitely more meat than the factory. Here we have the 2015 STI. All right, so we're gonna go film this STI, have the blob-eye over there. We're gonna compare them both. Let's go on a POV test drive on this newer gen STI. Nothing is different with the blob-eye. Still driving it, enjoying it. Wish I could drive it more though, but been getting it done.
Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it will cave and swallow me whole. Wondering why my mind keeps on spinning. This isn't how living to me what you told.
Anthony.
Anthony?
Full passport.
Full passport?
Radar camera system.
If the funds are not totally there, there's an option to finance.
Yep.
Did you talk more about that?
With like $1,500 to $1,000 down, you can finance a wrap for 1 to 2 years kind of thing.
Sick. Wrapping the car. I don't know. I've always thought about it, but I don't know what color.
That's the hardest part, bro.
All right, so Joe gave me the keys to his car. So give us a rundown. What do we have?
I mean, just pretty much cat elites, AWE mid pipes, sport exhaust, and then a VLMC tune. And then with the intakes on these cars, they can handle by themselves, stock up to like 600 of the wheels.
So roughly how much power are you pushing right now?
About anywhere between 430 to 470
To the wheels.
to the wheels.
Wow. Stock block, right?
Stock block, everything. I mean, it's pretty much a stock car, except for a little bit exhaust and exhaust and tune.
We did a video with Joe's recent car, Focus RS.
Yeah, 2016.
He had it tuned at Snell Performance. It was a great car. What was the reason why you switched over?
Honestly, just too slow.
Yeah,
It's fun car, but I wanted something faster.
definitely something more luxurious, right?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, so let's go into POV drive. Let's see how this car handles.
2000. I have one that has over 6.
Let me see. So this guy's over here, TikTok famous, Mr. TikTok over here. What do you have?
We're looking at 46.5
46, almost 50,000 followers on
Yeah.
TikTok. Joe Preezy.
in 1 month.
So here we are in the RS3. Let's fire it up. Lower down these windows. Whoa, shit, quick, dude. Holy damn, dude. I'm not gonna lie, this car is faster than the Subaru.